Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this little tiny package that I got. I got this package internationally, actually from Canada, and it's a jewelry piece, and here it is in this bag. So I've been looking for some vintage jewelry for some time now, and I saw this on eBay from a very reputable seller, and I decided to it wasn't an auction, it was to buy it outright, and the seller was taking you could like do a, not a bid, but you can do a suggested price. So I sent a few out, and then he accepted one of the prices. So I got this amazing piece. Try to show you. It's a vintage Dior necklace. Try to get it to zoom in better. And it's gold with the classic Lady Dior charms, the same ones that you see on the Lady Dior bag. Let me try to get this better so you can see. So yeah, so it says like the letter D and the letter I and the O and the R, and I just think this is so pretty. It's just the cutest necklace. I love that the O has rhinestones on it. It's just adorable. Sorry, my phone is running out of battery. And it comes on this gold chain. I'll show you. And it's in very good condition. Like, the condition is amazing. I'm not really sure how old this piece is. I didn't ask the seller, but I can inquire, send him an email. But yeah, I just love it. And on the clasp, it has this little, you can see the CD lettering on the clasp. It's so cute, and it's such a great length as well. I'm gonna try to put this on so you can see how long it is. So a great place to find vintage pieces is at like consignment stores, pawn shops, and also on eBay. And here, see if I can get closer so you can see the length. Is really, I'm already wearing a necklace, but so you can see the length. The length is really pretty good, I think. And like, I just love the charm. It's so cute. Like, it's adorable. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this where I do unboxings of pieces that I find, subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot of finds as well. My Instagram is my Instagram is @designerhaul. I'm gonna put everything linked below. See you next time. Bye.